Are you ready to take your woodworking or DIY projects to the next level? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best jigsaws that combine precision, power, and versatility to handle any task. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, there's something here for you. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Milwaukee Fuel 18-volt fuel jigsaw. If you have some extra money to spend, this 18-volt Milwaukee jigsaw delivers the goods. Its brushless motor maximizes the tool's overall longevity as well as the battery's runtime. Milwaukee claims the saw cuts 105 feet of 3-der particle board per charge. This saw also features a variable speed 2-finger trigger, which provides a more natural control than the variable speed knob found on many other saws. And a built-in LED light adds visibility in poorly lit workspaces. This bare tool option doesn't include the necessary battery, so it's best for those who already have an 18-volt Milwaukee tool collection and batteries to spare. Coming in at number 4 is the Skil PR Core 20-volt Jigsaw. This cordless Skil Jigsaw's battery boasts a 2.0 amp-hour battery larger than the 1.5 amp-hour versions I commonly see around this price range. The 4-stage orbital function maximizes cutting efficiency, and the tool-free blade clamp swaps out fresh blades easily. The variable trigger adjusts speeds quickly, and a handy lock button prevents accidental startups. I've used corded Skil jigsaws before and have always been impressed with their overall usability and ergonomic controls. The only apparent downside with this model is that it comes with just one included blade, so you'll need to invest in more if you want to take advantage of the tool's versatility. At number 3, we have the Bosch 120-volt top-handled jigsaw. This surprisingly powerful Bosch model has everything you need to get cutting right away. The included wrench easily adjusts the shoe plate for bevel cuts, and since it fits conveniently onto the power cord base, you never have to search for it. The integrated dust blower clears away debris as you work, ensuring maximum visibility and increasing accuracy, which in turn reduces the chances of making a costly mistake while following your cut line. This model also includes a handy storage bag to keep the tool safe and secure when not in use. Its one downside is that it doesn't accept U-shank blades. This class of jigsaw blade makes excellent straight cuts and was the norm until fairly recently when T-shank became the preferred choice of manufacturers. This saw comes with a T-shank blade, and its blade-changing mechanism is tool-free and easy, but if you have a collection of older U-shanks you were hoping to use with your new jigsaw, they won't come in handy with this one. Number 2 on our list is the Black Decker 20-volt Max Jigsaw. This affordable Black Decker cordless jigsaw comes with an impressive 20-volt motor and variable speed trigger, giving you maximum control while you cut. It also easily creates 45-degree bevels in both directions. Keep in mind that, at a price this low, compromise is inevitable. The brushed motor doesn't provide the longevity of a brushless version, and the lack of an orbital setting lowers cutting efficiency. That being said, if you're just looking for a tool to have on hand for occasional cuts, this is a great option. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Bosch 7.0 amp jigsaw. Bosch has a reputation for producing well-made and user-friendly jigsaws, and this 7 amp option exemplifies both qualities. Plus, with a package of 10 spare blades, 4 of which are compatible with metal, you're prepared for any number of projects. The barrel-style handle gives you consistent control as you cut, though some users may have a personal preference for the more common D-style handles. Plus, the handle's textured rubber grip adds comfort, which is especially welcome for all-day jobs. Although this corded model lacks the portability of battery-powered options, the unlimited runtime is a major plus when you're working on long, more involved projects. And there you have it, our picks for the top 5 best jigsaws. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and DIY tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.